a poet called Karaya. With the call sign Karaya, under military pilot shot down while Iranian drones over Vinnytsia and ejected with the call sign Karaya. He's already waiting for a new aircraft. When he returns to the lands he walked in the sky of Vinnytsia. Fifth target of that day was fatal to his plane. He recalls details that morning on October 12. My morning started at 4 o'clock. They gave an air signal. One pilot destroyed 2 Shahedas in the south of Ukraine. I also went next. I also destroyed 3, landing at the operational airfield. This was followed by a walking day, and in the evening of that day, the attacks began again. I did the guidance and interception of the air target. Unfortunately, after its destruction, wreckage of the explosion damaged my plane. There was a destruction of the cockpit glass and the front pole aircraft. He suffered minor injuries, including cuts, but blood prevented him from quickly assessing the situation. There was settlement ahead. I checked the control of the aircraft. It was all departure and controllable. Therefore, seeing a black clear in front of me, I found that it was a field. Then the fire began inside the cockpit of the aircraft, and when the flames had already begun to reach me, I ejected without delay, as the book told. On Armed Forces Day, he posted this photo with his bloody face on Instagram. He says he made it for partial reasons to assess his health status and situation, meaning he used it as mirror Later he decided to publish a photo and just encourage others. This is the message that our nation cannot be broken. It doesn't matter in what situation there would be if after success, rejection from the damaged aircraft, he descended to the ground for 2 minutes. I had time to think about everything, see everything. Plan further action after landing. There was enough time. He recalls and answered. After landing, he called the commander first, then the phone turned off, and he decided to look for help on his own. Breathing was minimal, feel little back pain, but I knew it was normal healing course. He landed 8 kilometers from the crash site of the plane. He was able to reach the nearest house in one of the villages, where he was met by a married couple. Now the locals call him Ghost Vinnytsia, with the call sign Karaya. An military pilot shot down 5 Iranian drones of Vinnytsia and ejected with the call sign Karaya. He's already waiting for a new aircraft, and he returns to the ranks. Now the locals call him Ghost of Vinnytsia. Gather the green comfort on him, title of Hero of Ukraine, for personal courage and heroism, showing the defense of state sovereignty and territorial integrity of Ukraine, selfless service to the Alps people. He is 28 years old, year before the full-scale invasion of Moldova. He retired from aviation. Admittedly, decision was difficult, but final. But he returned to service after February 24 as a reserve officer. He came to the unit, quickly shattered his gears. He says it couldn't have been otherwise, 'cause I'm Karaya's from his rebels. Search what the cosine are the most effective pilot of the Second World War. I learn eagerly, I picked it up in 2014, saw it took load. Pilot sounds low, 'cause for the new nickname goes up in each region by analogy with the goal of gift. I'm very grateful to people of Vinnytsia, people of Ukraine, for such words of sport. I'm ready to stand on wing again and continue to destroy the enemy. In early September, he lost his boat number 10 near Vinnytsia, and he's very sorry for him. On this boat he made about 20 sorties. He explains that most brilliant birth in the pilot takes with him, ejecting his helmet. But if this is not possible, then simply saves his life. So he ejected without delay at the bergtold, with the cosine Karaya, and military pilot shot down 5 Iranian drones over Vinnytsia, injected with the cosine Karaya. He's already waiting for a new aircraft, little more, and he returns to the lungs.